Human ears produce a thick liquid in the ear canal which is called cerumen. Cerumen traps the bacteria and dirt entering our ears, which keeps the space around the eardrums clear, and they perform the function of hearing properly. But do you know how cerumen is produced and how it protects our eardrums? In today's video we will talk about the production and function of cerumen. Cerumen is a special gland present in the skin of our ear canal which produces a thick liquid which is called ceruminous gland, which produces sweat and dead skin cells. Cerumen forms a thick protective layer in front of our eardrums which traps the dirt and bacteria entering the ears and prevents them from reaching the eardrums. In this way, the eardrums are naturally protected and the function of hearing is performed properly, while cerumen is replaced with new cerumen with the help of self-cleansing mechanism. Nowadays, it has become very common for us to use black ear pins or cotton buds to clean our ears, which removes a little bit of dirt but most of the dirt, and cerumen is pushed towards the eardrums, which not only disturbs the function of the hearing but also damages the ear canal. Apart from this, if for some unknown reason the production of cerumen increases in our ears, or if the existing cerumen cannot be removed, then cerumen accumulates and reaches the eardrums, which disturbs the function of the ears. Diagnose cerumen. Doctors use a special instrument which is called otoscope while to remove cerumen from the ears and to clean the ears. Doctors prescribe glycerin and saline solutions which dissolves the cerumen so that it can be easily removed from the ears by the self-cleansing mechanism. So, hope so, from today's video you must have got to know something new.